Wow, that for a bimble on the little monkey. We've just been to Tesco's here to pick up a donation of Easter eggs for our charity Easter egg run. I'm going to head back round to the other side, meet up with my beautiful wife, who's on her little monkey, and a couple of the other club members. We're going to go for a little bimble, a little ride. Fit the new exhaust to her little monkey. Oh my god, what have I done? I've unleashed the beast. I thought my little Scorpion was loud. So there they are, look, all waiting for me. Just filled my tank up, £4.90. Oh, the good stuff. Gotta love that, haven't you? Come here very often. I've had to come by the side of you. Just sitting behind you was making my ears bleed. Right, let's get set. Go! Oh, the bloody monkey's faster! I'm not impressed! Wow, the little blue monkey. That's the new exhaust that I fitted for the good lady. I've got to say, it's made it bloody quicker. Now, I have ordered a blue side pod from Taiwan to fill that gap in. But you know what? It's monkey bloody tastic. I do love these little bikes. Definitely miles per hour. So, there we go, Longitch Diner. Don't know if anybody's ever been to Longitch Diner. Let me know in the comments below. Many a cup of tea here back in the day. I'll be out on the road testing. Also in the winter when there's nobody about. My wife's on her back on her noise. She makes me laugh. She says, "Have you got any earplugs on you?" This bloody exhaust make my ears bleed. I says, "Well, I could always put your other one back on." And she went, no, I do like it, just need to wear earplugs, so that's what she's doing, bless her. So all the bike nights start soon, and the motorcycle community, all the fair weather riders, they'll be back out. My advice to all you guys that haven't been out of winter is just take your time. Just reassess where your riding is. Don't come out thinking you're as quick as you was when you put your bike away. For me, the next month was always the most dangerous month of my whole biking year when I was riding full time, week in, week out. And from now really till mid-April, when the clocks have gone back at the end of March, and mid-April would just be so many bikes I would see coming around bends on the wrong side of the road, so many crashes. Oh, it always was, even for me, the most dangerous time of the year, because I was having to deal with other people's riding. So just reassess where you are with your riding. Go out on your own before you join your mates, and start hooning round the lanes. Never ride faster than your angel can fly. Come on, get back past me now, woman. Come on. I absolutely love that my wife is my riding buddy. Ironically, Ailey was Triumph's only female development test rider for just over a decade. They don't even have one now. It's all men again, which is a bit shocking. But for us, riding has always been a passion that the both of us just love. We love getting out, even if it's just for a couple of hours. can't believe a bloody monkey is faster than mine now. Look, see, I'm flat out now. She's still got another gear. That's the difference between the 5-speed and the 4-speed. But before I put that exhaust on, that little blue monkey was slower than Foxy Roxy, I'm telling you. It's only that exhaust, it's letting it breathe. It's giving it a little bit more of. Probably took it from the 9 bhp that it's got to 10. Or maybe 9.5, who knows. I think you got a problem, matey. You're on fire. What the hell? I mean, talk about endangering everybody else with your fucking smoke screen. You know, I'd be pulling over, you know. Ugh. Oh, Tractor Tom's been out, hasn't he? Spreading his shit everywhere. The only thing I would love to change on this monkey, and I will do it at some point when I've got the spare cash to do it, is swap out the rear shocks, because a man of my stature, what I'm saying is, I'm a fat mother. They could do with being a little bit firmer. Yes, I can lose a bit of weight, but you know what, they could still do with being a little bit firmer. That's for sure. Oh, I bloody love my monkey. I keep saying it, but it really does make me feel 30 years younger. It takes me back to an age where motorbikes were just cheap and fun. That ain't the case today, that's for sure. Come on. Come on! Come on, Foxy Roxy! That's it. I've got my last gear. Oh! Oh, she's catching! Oh! Oh! Yeah, so the difference between these two monkeys is my wife's on a 71 plate, which was when they pretty much updated from a 4-speed box, put an oil filter in, which was another good thing, because just a spinner in this one, and yeah, it became a 5-speed box rather than a 4. And obviously I'm on the 2019 Honda Monkey, which was the first one when they brought it back to life, if you like, and it's got a 4-speed box. I actually do prefer the 4-speed box more for when I'm hooning round the lanes, because I've just got to flick between 3rd and 4th all day long. There she is, bless her. Oh, tell ya. So that's us, we're nearly home. Just thought we'd bring you out for a bit of a bimble and show you both our monkeys. Have a bit of a yab and a catch up. I have got some more About to Be a Better Rider videos, just in the process of editing. And as ever, I'm still trying to get my hands on some bloody bikes to review. Now the problem I have is I don't want to just have a bike for an hour, because I can't give you a proper review of a motorcycle in an hour. I need to go ride it for at least 250 plus miles and spend a good 8 hours in the saddle before I could give you an honest opinion of what I think about that bike. And that's the problem I've got. I can go to a dealership, go, oh, can I test ride one of these vehicles? And I can give you a first impression of what I think, but I can't truly tell you what the motorcycle's like without riding the bloody thing. But that's the problem I've got, because I'm so bloody small, getting these press bike fleets to entertain giving me a motorcycle was near damn impossible. So definitely give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and share any videos you wish to share. You really will be there. You really will help this channel grow, and by helping this channel grow, hopefully I'll be able to get my hands on some bloody bikes finally. But you know, I keep trying, I keep pushing, I keep asking, so time will tell. I will do a proper review on both of these monkeys when the weather's a bit nicer, and also the scramblers, because hey, might as well review the bikes I've got as an owner's review. So as ever, thank you very much for coming along today and listening to the ramblings of an old man that just loves motorcycles. And we will definitely catch you on the next one. So as ever, stay safe out there, never ride faster than your angel can fly, even on a monkey bike.